Using a purchase order to pay a restaurant or a store that accepts American Express. If you have 2 weeks prior to your event, you can use a purchase order to order food from a restaurant or items from a store directly through your club budget. All you need from them is an itemized invoice. Please note, you can only use a purchase order if a restaurant or store accepts American Express. If they do not accept American Express, please use a check request to issue them a check. For the purposes of this video, we'll pretend that we want to order something from a restaurant. Visit or call the restaurant that you wish to order from. Ask for an itemized invoice of the items you wish to purchase. Make sure the invoice includes all of the items, tax, tip, delivery fee, and the total amount of your purchase. Please note, we encourage students to tip for services as appropriate, so be sure to indicate the tip you'd like to give. Please note, if there is tax on an invoice, you should ask if the restaurant accepts tax-exempt forms, but the purchasing office usually pardons tax costs for restaurant orders and food. Once you've received your itemized invoice, please take a purchase order from the Student Activities Office and fill out the following sections. The field that says company name. Please write down the name of the restaurant you're ordering from. The field that says company address / city, state, zip code. Please indicate the full address of the restaurant. Fill in the date and the club paying for this purchase at the top of the sheet. The field that says cell phone and email of person making request. Please put down all of your contact information. Indicate whether this purchase is or was for an event. If so, indicate the event title and the date of the event. Please note, this is absolutely crucial for the purchasing office to know. They need this information so that they can make sure the delivery of your food can coordinate with the date of your event. In the description of purchase, you just need to summarize what the food and products are and for what event. If the purchase wasn't for a specific event, please include the reason for the purchase. Include the quantity, unit price, and amount per item. Please note whether this is for pickup or delivery. For restaurant orders, include the delivery costs and tip here as well. Calculate and write down the total of the purchase. Finally, print and sign your name in the fields below. Staple the itemized invoice to the back of the purchase order and submit it into the purchase order bin in the Student Activities Office. You should expect to have your order paid sometime within the following week. For more information on the purchase order processing schedule, please click on the video on your screen. For more information on how to use a purchase order or a check request, please click on the links below.